Are you tired of the endless cycle of opening and closing files on your computer or laptop just to see what's inside? It can be frustrating, right? Well, I've got an amazing tip that'll make this process so much smoother and faster. Hello and welcome to How to Easy Quick. If you're someone who frequently works with different types of files, like Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PDFs, or even images, this tutorial is perfect for you. Today, I'll show you a simple trick to preview your files without all the hassle. Trust me, once you try this, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Let's get started. First, open any folder on your computer that contains the files you want to view. This could be a folder full of your important documents, reports, or even a collection of family photos. Now here's the exciting part. Once you're in the folder, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and then tap the P key. Just like that, a preview window will pop up on the side of your folder. This feature is super handy and can save you so much time. If you find that the preview window is a bit too small to see everything clearly, no worries. You can easily adjust its size. Just click on the edges of the preview window and drag it to make it larger. This will give you a much better view of the contents of your files. Now, here's how it works. As you click on each file in your folder, you'll see the content appear in the preview window. You can quickly scroll through your files without having to open each one individually. This is especially useful when you're looking for a specific piece of information or a particular image. Imagine needing to find a specific report buried among dozens of files. Instead of wasting time opening and closing files, you can simply click through them in the preview window until you find exactly what you need. It's like having a mini file viewer right at your fingertips. I really hope this tip helps you streamline your workflow and makes your file searching much easier and quicker. It's such a simple feature, yet it can be a real game changer in your daily tasks. If you found this helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for more quick tips like this one. I've got plenty more tricks up my sleeve that I can't wait to share with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.